Ralph's Garage of Chaos, and I want to show you, I was told by a good friend of mine from YouTube about an event down here in Miami, the Miami racetrack. Actually, it's AMR Homestead Motorplex. They rent go-karts and stuff like that, and it's a fun place to come. But today there's an SCCA event that is basically they're doing like a road course and cars. You can even bring your own car down here, so it's fun. So come along and watch. Bye. I'm just walking in right now. Right here is where everybody's setting up to go out on the track. See a pretty nice car. There's a Porsche, Honda. A lot of Japanese cars down here. Just walking through and seeing what I see. This is the first time I've ever been to a place like this, and it's very, I can't say close to me, but close enough. These are some of the cars. So, even a Volvo, Hondas, Subaru. Here we got a Toyota. It's running. So it's like almost everyday cars. They got some more other people. So you could bring your own car down here. You know, you got to prep it first a little bit, but these are like everyday drivers I see. Another all-wheel drive Subaru. So here's a nice fine piece of equipment coming up. A Fiat 500. These people are bringing their own cars that they prep. Now I've come across this 91 Miata, which looks pretty trick. Looks pretty standard. Got a couple upgrades on it. Free airflow pipe, air filter, and let me introduce the guy who owns this fine piece of equipment. Hi, my name's Ralph. Your name is?
Ernesto.
And what can you tell me about the car?
So the car is pretty much almost a junkyard rescue. It was in a really bad accident. Had to get in a new quarter panel welded in, and then painted it purple because why not? Then it's spent its early life with me as a drift car, but that kind of like autocross a little bit more. You don't go through tires as much. But the car's mostly stock, just welded diff, coilovers. I refreshed all the bushings and ball joints. That's about it.
And anything for safety? You put a roll bar, I see in here.
Yeah, a roll bar, and that's about it. No airbags.
Oh yeah,
no harness.
You got a quick disconnect steering wheel. I see there. Yeah. It's hard to drive that with that little thing, so you have to put your steering wheel on. I see you did the custom like door panels, door cards as they call it in England. All right, so how long are going to do this? I mean, is this just a weekend thing, or do you drive the car every day, or?
It's more of a weekend thing.
Right.
I don't know if I'd trust it to take me to work or school, but.
Right. So it's basically your fun car. Your fun car. Your hoopty.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, and have fun.
All right.
Well, I'm going to just start walking around a little bit. Pretty hot. This thing's pretty well sort of finished up. Still a lot of people going on here. A nice gentleman coming out of his another Miata. A lot of Japanese cars down here. Here's a Honda SI.
Yeah, and it's big. That's why I had it reset before I put it on.
So. Some people are very talkative down here, and some people just don't want to talk to you. They just want to race. They just want to drive around on the track and see what their car can do. Yeah, you could bring your own car down here. Like I said, the place is AMR Motorplex down here in Miami area. Actually, it's One Speed Boulevard, Homestead, Florida, and that's the thing. Here we got a Porsche coming up here. So as soon as they let some of the cars go down the track a little more, they will let him go. So, oh, yep, there he goes. Here we are, 2017. 2017. Is it MX5 or a Miata?
MX5.
MX5. And your name?
Lazaro.
And you drive this car every day?
Yeah, it's my daily. I drive it to work, everywhere, and I drive basically from anywhere to Homestead, West Palm Beach.
And what? You just got a race. It looks like you got a racing seat in it.
Yeah.
Racing seat.
It's a racing seat. Came out of a Ferrari challenge car.
Yeah.
Fits in perfectly fine.
It looks like a carbon fiber seat.
Yeah, it's fully carbon fiber.
And what's with the electronic stuff on it?
So I put in aftermarket steering wheel.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to lose the cruise control,
Oh,
the volume for the music and all that stuff. So I basically gutted out the stock steering wheel.
Yeah.
And I basically have it makeshift like that for now, but
Right.
I'm gonna do like a button panel on it,
Yeah.
so I can have it look nicely.
So you've got the push control.
Yeah, everything's
So
functional.
basically, it's a modified steering wheel. You got the racing steering
Yeah.
wheel, and you got all the electronics.
All the
for
electronics still,
touch,
so I can use it
touch screen. Well, the touch screen, the touch
for
buttons
the radio and stuff.
You drive this every day.
Correct?
You take them tires off, I assume.
No.
No, you leave them the race.
Yep. I drive it just how you're seeing it right now.
And it's got also Sky Active technology.
Yeah.
Band-aids to keep.
Yeah,
Band-aids
because
to-
this, a while back,
wobbles back and forth.
a while back, there was this curb that came out of nowhere.
You
Didn't
curbed
even see it,
something.
and the back clips broke.
Mhm.
So I have it like that for now until I'm able to fix it.
So, what would you say out to the audience out there that want to do this?
To do autocross,
Yeah.
honestly, it's really fun. If you can come in with any car, like it doesn't matter what car you drive. I remember 2 events ago, I was here. There was a guy out here with a Honda Pilot, and he was ripping the course like if nothing. So it doesn't matter what car you have. If you like it, you like racing, you like cars, just come out here, have fun, spend the day. I mean, you have nothing to lose. You meet awesome people, and you just you experience something different, especially if you've never done it before. So it is a wonderful experience. I remember my first time here, I had a blast, and today is my second time coming, and it's still amazing.
Okay, thank you. Now I've come across a Porsche here. This is probably going to be my final car. I'll get some track video, and it's Autocross 911. It's a 911. 911. And it's even got plates on it. Now I'm going to show you the plate. for those unscrupulous people out there. Hi, my name's Ralph. How are you doing today?
Good.
What can you tell me about your car?
It's a 2006 911 Carrera S.
Mhm.
It's 3.8 liter. It's about 300 horsepower to the tire. Today it's on already 71Rs, and I think right now we're sitting third overall. It's pretty good.
So you're third in the whole, everybody here.
Yep. Yeah. There's the black Supra's leading, or I think second, and then there's an M3 I think down that way. It's leading. So I'm off by about half a second. So hopefully I can catch up.
And this is a 911.
Yeah, this is a 2006, so it's a 997.1, so it's a first gen 997 car.
And your daily driver?
Yeah, I've had it for about 2.5 years, and it's pretty good so far.
And what made you decide to get into this craziness?
My dad was autocross when he was about my age, and I've been doing it for 8 years now. And I got into cars and figured if I'm going to be into them, my friends will be good at driving them. And this is substantially cheaper than going out on big tracks, but still get a lot of the car control that you get on the bigger circuits. So it's really, I won't say inexpensive, but it's a less expensive way to get into actually performance driving versus going out on big courses.
You don't think you're going to go into Formula One after this, do you?
I am about 20 years too late to
Yeah.
go to Formula One.
Yeah. You want to show me the engine? Show the people what you did? Did you do anything to it, or basically you got rims and tires? Well, those are factory rims.
Yeah. So these are the stock wheels. I have a set of Titan 7 TS5s that I daily on, but I bought the car with these on it, so I figured I'd just save them for race tires.
For the track.
Around back, it's got an intake on it, and the car's lowered, so nothing too crazy.
Air cleaner. Well,
yeah, so it's I bought the car with this and the stock intake on it.
right.
I don't know if it actually makes any more power. I think they claim it makes like 5 or 10 more, but I can't confirm or deny that. But it sounds a bit better, so I leave it on.
911S. Anything chips or anything?
No, it's all factory.
All factory?
Aside from the springs and that. Probably going to go in for a more aggressive alignment in the next week or two. And then I thought about doing exhaust and more extensive suspension stuff, but it's all money at this point, and it's how much you want to spend.
Yeah, money makes the world go around.
Exactly, and it drives so well as it is that I don't want to spend thousands of dollars to make it go a tenth faster unless I know it's going to make it that much faster. But it's maybe after the tax return comes in. We'll see.
Okay. All right. Well, nice for talking to me, and hope you best of luck out there.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. So, if you guys would like to get into something like this, you could autocross your mom's car, your sister's car, your father's car, or your own car. You can get hooked up with these guys down here and they have track days when you can come down here and see what you can do. You know. And this is just like a fun thing to do. Oh, here comes Michael. Oh, he's going in hot. Too hot. I guess he's gotta get home. Gotta get home for dinner. I'll grab another one. Should be coming soon. Yeah, I think this is a hot corner. Oh, here comes somebody. Beamer. So, this whole event was told to me by Sean of junkyard finds and barn finds. So check him out. He's got a lot of cool stuff, and he can narrate a lot better than me. So give it a whirl. Thanks. Come again. Fiat AMR 500. It's a 500. It's got some rims on it. Probably this guy's daily driver. Pretty stock.